Okay, this is December 26th, 2020. This is the Schoharie Creek. We're on a lookout at a high spot, and we can see that it's flooding. It's receded a couple feet since yesterday, though. That's a 150, 200-year-old oak tree that fell down a couple years ago. It's been getting cut up. This is much higher than usual. There was a beaver dam at this location right about here. Let's see how that fares after the water goes down. There was a lot of debris yesterday, and it was a lot cleaner, the water, but it seems to have gone away and the water's dirtier. It's hard to see the scale of this. But it's probably like 250 foot wide, maybe 300. Okay, that's all for today.